So we're on day 9 of the Astrovan build. I've installed a new stereo because the mic on that one was shit. Everything was basically shit on it. So new stereo's in. There's GPS and everything. Radio, which I think I forgot to plug in actually. Oh well, never mind. Music. It's got USB sticks plugged in, and then it's got another one which says for 3G, but we can probably plug in another USB stick into that. Now that little Vibe amp I've mounted here, so I've tie wrapped it in so I can get to cables and stuff if need be, and it sounds pretty good so far. I think I will update the speakers at some point, but it's part of day 1 sorted. Alright, so I've done pretty much bugger all today apart from wiring a stereo. Wired in the amp, one's in there behind that, as you can't see it. The other one is attached to the sub box, so that's all wired in now. And that's about all I'm doing for today. I need to try and sort out getting the stalk for the radio to work, because they did work but now they've stopped, so I'm not sure on that, so I don't know if it's this or if it's this, but I'll investigate that tomorrow. Yeah, thanks for watching.